All right, guys, let's take a look at this one. And this is a perfect example of an EOC style question. This came right from the DRC. So all we're going to do is type in the functions exactly as written into the graphing calculator. Anytime we see functions, we always use the graphing calculator. Okay, then on our next one, we're going to type in q of x. Okay, so those are the two functions, but now it wants it subtracted. Look at how hard this is. P of x minus q of x. And that's it. We got to turn this to a capital Q. And that's our answer. This black parabola, this black quadratic, is our answer. We can still, you can't delete them because it's the calculator still needs to know what's P of x and what's Q of x. So that's why I like to turn them off so I can see my answer is the black parabola. So now I'm going to type in each of my answer choices. I'm going to type a of x for choice A as x squared minus 3. Those graphs aren't the same. So I'm just going to turn the a into a b and then put my b of x equation. Those two aren't the same. So now I'm going to type in choice C and type in my C equation. And look at that. Choice C is the same as that black graph. So C is the correct answer. So let me summarize what I did. I'm going to turn off my things. First, I typed in P of x. I just copied and pasted it, typed it right into the graphing calculator. Then I typed in Q of x. So those are the two functions. One's a quadratic function, one's a linear function. It wants us to subtract it, so I literally copied and pasted it and got this black graph. Because I didn't want to get confused, you can't delete it because then the calculator doesn't know what's going on. So these are like on-off switches. I'm just turning on and off the functions I don't need to look at. The only function I need to look at is P of x minus Q of x. So now, when I went and tried my answer choices, choice C, x squared minus 2x minus 3, perfectly matches with the P of x minus Q of x. And that's why choice C is the correct answer.